Pothole Palooza is back in 2025. This effort has city crews focusing on the maintenance and preservation of a number of arterial roadways. Stacy Minichello has more.
The city's Street Operation Division will be out for Pothole Palooza, featuring Fill the Pothole from September 30th through October 13th. This work will focus on 10 projects on arterial roadways, key routes that connect different areas of the city and carry the majority of heavy traffic.
Crews will be working throughout the city. We've selected projects in each of the 5 council districts, and we'll be doing lane replacements.
Several factors were reviewed and considered when selecting locations, including pavement management data and residents' requests submitted through Tacoma FIRST 311.
We prefer that people either call 311. They can speak to a city staff member, give them the information of where the location is, address, intersection always helps us, or they can visit the city's website and visit Tacoma FIRST 311 and then follow the prompts for providing that same information.
Keep an eye on the city's social media channels to get updates on Pothole Palooza and learn more about how crews are working to reduce the presence of Fill the Pothole on city streets.
We're going to be out front with our communication. We ask people to follow our detour routes, road closures. There'll be contact numbers there. If people have questions, they can call staff and just work with staff as they're out there and slow down.
For Tacoma Report, I'm Stacy Minichello.